Roads for peaceful life. Visit who visits you. Call who calls you. Support who supports you. Ignore who ignores you. Life lesson. Don't pick sides until you know the first story. Some people are really skilled at making others look bad. Never get to attach to anyone unless they also feel the same towards you. Because one sided expectations can mentally destroy you. Don't compare yourself to others. There's no compares between the sun and the moon. They both shine when it's their time. Be strong but not rude. Be kind but not weak. Be humble but not shy. Be proud but not arrogant. Life goes on with or without friends, with or without love. You are born alone. You will die alone. Focus on yourself. Pain changes people. Some become rude, some become silent, some become wise. Never hide your bad side to make someone stay. Show your bad side and see who can stay. Don't try to keep everyone's heart. People here are just hungry for their own selfishness.